Santa came. Look. Santa came.
We came.
Yeah?
We came some presents.
Yeah.
Let me see.
You like that?
We open them.
Yeah, we'll open them.
They're all for you.
He also put some stuff in your stocking.
Let me see.
Go see.
Let me put them in the
Let me do it
basket.
first.
You want to go see your stocking?
Yeah. Who's inside?
I don't know.
Look, it's purple.
He
Just like
left
you
you a
asked
purple
for.
present.
Mommy, open my presents.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. I want to open this present.
Okay.
I want to take it out.
All right, I'll help you. Hold on.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
Okay. Hurry up, Daddy.
I'm ready to open it.
Hey, wait for Daddy 1 second. Daddy's coming.
Let me open this.
All right, let me take
There's
this out.
snowflakes. There's snowflakes on it.
Snowflakes.
I open this.
Okay, go ahead.
Look, Mama.
What is it?
Look, Mama. It is
What is it?
a stock one.
Keep
Maya.
opening it.
Maya, let me see. Maya, look at me.
Look, Mama.
Keep taking the paper off.
Look, Mama.
This side. Try this side. Oh.
Look,
What is it?
a stocking.
It's a dolly. You like it?
Yes, open this.
Okay.
No, I will open this present.
All right.
It's so big.
It's so big.
Maya,
Maybe
Maya.
Daddy will help you.
Maya, can you say cheese?
She's too excited.
Daddy.
Daddy, help her.
Ah!
Hey.